Well, hi there. We're going to make a little candle, and what we're going to do is we're going to take a gourd and we're going to take a candle, and I need a cigarette lighter, and Ray's gone outside to get me a drill. So don't go too far, and this is what you can do with your leftover gourds. You can use them for little candles throughout the rest of the season as long as they last. And also you can shellac these gourds and they will last longer. So hold on and I'll be back as soon as I get my drill.
Size it to your candle.
Okay, this is a, Ray, what do you call this?
That is a spade bit, a wood bit.
A wood bit, and you have to size it according to your candle. And
that is a 3/4 inch.
Oh, this is a 3/4 inch right here, and we're just using this drill. And this here's the 3/4 inch. So let me pan you down and we'll go from there. Make sure you can see me good here. Okay, hopefully. And we're just going to put this right down on it. Just like this, and we're gonna hold it. Oh, Ray's gonna hold that for me. I won't.
You're making me nervous.
Ray says I'm making him nervous.
Into the table.
I'm not going to drill into the table, Ray. Ray thinks I'm going to drill into the table. Making a mess, but I'm not drilling into the table. There. Now that we got a nice little hole going here. There. That's what I did last time. Drilled a good hole right in her. Okay, now we got a hole in there. And this candle's gonna go in just like this. Okay, just wanna show you. Drill the hole in it, then you got a candle. I'm gonna stick that in like that. There it does, it sits up there all by itself. And I'm gonna light it here. Hard time with my hands today, sorry. Just like that. Ray, can you cut the light down so we can see it real pretty?
Yes, I can.
Thank you very much, if you could please. And I got it lit. And I'm having Ray shut the lights down.
There you are.
And there you have it right there. So all you need is a gourd and a candle. And you can do 1, 2, 3 of them, put them on your mantle, do whatever you want with them. So there's just an idea of what you can do with a gourd. And also, I'll be doing some other crafting projects between now and Christmas. So stay tuned for that. Like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. You can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Have a great night. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow night. Don't forget, thumbs up. We got a lot going on here. Bye now.